Have you ever wanted to invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies but felt intimidated by the process? Or maybe you've heard of Robinhood and wondered how it works. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down how to download and get started with the Robinhood app. It's a popular platform that's made investing more accessible for many people. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Finding the Robinhood app. The first step is to find the Robinhood app. You can do this by searching for Robinhood in your app store. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, the process is pretty similar. Just tap on the search bar and type in Robinhood. Once you've found the app, it should look something like this: show image of Robinhood app icon. Tap on it to download and install it on your device. Step 2. Creating an account. Now that you've downloaded the app, it's time to create an account. Open the Robinhood app and tap on the Sign Up button. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. After you've entered your information, you'll need to create a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that's difficult for others to guess. Once you've created your password, tap on the Continue button. Step 3. Verifying your identity. Before you can start investing, Robinhood will need to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud. You'll be asked to provide a photo of your driver's license or passport. Once you've uploaded a photo of your ID, Robinhood will review it and let you know if it's been approved. This process usually takes a few minutes. Step 4. Funding your account. Now that your account is verified, you can start funding it. Tap on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen and then select Funding. You'll have a few options for funding your account, including bank transfers, ACH transfers, and debit cards. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the instructions to add your funding source. Once you've added your funding source, you can deposit funds into your account. Step 5. Exploring the app. Now that your account is funded, you can start exploring the Robinhood app. The main screen of the app shows you a list of popular stocks and cryptocurrencies. You can also use the search bar to find specific stocks or cryptocurrencies. To buy or sell a stock or cryptocurrency, simply tap on it and then select Buy or Sell. You'll be asked to enter the amount you want to buy or sell, as well as the price you're willing to pay or receive. Tips for using Robinhood. Here are a few tips for using Robinhood. Start small. If you're new to investing, it's a good idea to start small and gradually increase your investments over time. Do your research. Before investing in any stock or cryptocurrency, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals for your investments and don't expect to get rich quick. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to be patient and stick to your plan. Well, that's it. You now know how to download and get started with the Robinhood app. Remember, investing can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.